Okay, another video about the soul. So we have two natures. After the baptism of the Holy Spirit, after the born again experience, and I painted here the new nature standing behind the veil, and the veil, you will be there. Some people will experience it, so they placed into Christ and they standing behind the veil. Their body is right there, still in the world, but covered, not well, in the world, but not of the world. Okay, covered with the grace of God, with Christ, and protected. So the body and the soul are the vehicles for this physical world, and the soul is actually much more, because the soul, if the God infused with the Holy Spirit, changes the reality in this world. The human soul is the key for the power, influence and control over this human of the physical world. That's why demons always try to hold and get a hold of the human soul. Okay, so the Holy Spirit cannot influence cannot influence the created reality the way the soul can. Those influences are different. Okay, so so you can just feel like you can switch from being behind the veil or being like integrated into the process.